Cesar, International Fighter is obviously honoured to have Raytheon as its lead sponsor this year. Can you tell us what's led the company to support this event and what its objectives are for the year ahead?
Well, this event is definitely at the core of the Raytheon model for global growth. We were able to not only visit with many of the 44 countries that are part of the air-to-air and air-to-ground portfolio that Raytheon brings to the air forces of the world. We were also able to meet with many of our key customers, especially United States Air Force, United States Navy, United States Marine Corps, the Royal Air Force, and that leadership group that comes to Raytheon that's looking for a weapons application, both kinetic and non-kinetic, that is going to be part of their future roadmap. So this falls into the Raytheon model right smack in the middle of it.
Obviously, it's unlike the trade shows, the bigger events of that nature. Is there any particular value that you get from this forum in particular?
Well, you know, the trade shows have a lot of jet noise. Our bombs make noise when they hit the target. So we really would like to be closer to our target customers. So we had great opportunity to meet with the customer one-on-one in multiple groups. We had several business units represented here, so we were able to showcase the portfolio not only from an effects perspective, but also from a sensor perspective. So having SAS and RMS here today and this week has been able to put a collective story of capability and affordability to our international partners.
Given the discussions over the past 2 days, and your keenness on keeping a close ear to the ground in terms of where the market's heading, has there been any particular insight that's been new to you or anything that's been of particular interest from the talk so far?
Yeah, you know, we've learned from those air forces that are not going to be able to upgrade into a 5th generation platform. We've learned more of what their true care-abouts are from an air power application perspective. So we take that back home, we start to craft a solution set, and we'll get back to them. So we've got the door open at a fairly high level, senior level, air chiefs, directors of operation, wing commanders. Those are the kind of decision makers that we want to show the Raytheon solution. So we got some homework to do coming out of here. Equally as important, we found a lot of friends that we continue to do business with and are truly their partners in protecting their nations. And so rekindling those relationships is always a bonus, and it's always part of the reason why it's better to be on the road with your customer than to be back at home and in the cube.
This industry knows, of course, that Raytheon's products and services are world-class. That's undeniable. But we don't often hear about the challenges and the hurdles that you face. What are the difficulties for Raytheon, and how are you looking to overcome them?
The Raytheon model is really to view the world and view the opportunities as a glass half full. We want to pursue those opportunities and build on them. The challenges exist across all of industry. Industries they're facing budget challenges, they're facing technology restriction challenges. That is part of our business, and we're willing to take on that responsibility to do it right every time, and at the same time deliver an affordable product to the warfighter when they need to use them.
And this event is helping you to do that?
Oh yeah, no, this event is opening doors. Some, like I mentioned earlier, some of the new doors with some of the countries. It was interesting to hear the presentations by the African Air Forces that are here and their unique challenge, which is no different than some of the fledgling Air Forces experienced many, many years ago as they start to move forward. So Raytheon's keenly aware of now what their requirements are, and then what we want to do to help them out in the long run.
We're so glad to have you here. We hope to see you again soon.
I look forward to this being part of the Raytheon portfolio of opportunities to meet the customer.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thanks, guys.